Hi folks, this is episode 6 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series, where I present some knowledge in marketing that's perhaps less well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. So today's topic, I'm going to look at how to discount sale prices the correct way. Now, there are two general ways that you can do this. You can offer your customers a percentage discount off the full price, or you can offer them a dollar amount discount off the full price. One way works better than the others, depending on what the end retail price is. So have a look at this example here. We've got a $50 product here, and on one side, we're offering 10% off. In the other scenario, however, we're offering 5% off the same product. Which one drives more engagement and gets more sales? It's the one that offers the percentage discount price. However, there's a catch to this. It depends on what the end retail price is. If it's over $100, it actually works the other way around. Have a look at this example. Now here, we've got a product that's $500, and on one side, we're offering 10% off. The other side, we're offering $50 off. The one that generates more sales and consumers respond to more, in this case, is when there's a dollar discount amount, because it's over $100. So the lesson is, if you're offering a product that's $50 or less, you want to give a percentage discount. If the product is worth over $100, you want to give them a dollar off discount. This is episode 6 of my 18 marketing tips over 18 days. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching.